Move right on and revisit the stock on the editor's radar. It's BHEL that's in the spotlight. I'm sure everyone's curious to get a Nikunj's take after yesterday's solid 10% move.
Look, BHEL has been a consensus sell. And the reason why it's been a consensus sell is because they've really not got anything right in terms of the migration, where other private companies, they've really managed to take a giant leap forward. BHEL has not really done anything which could be called exciting. Rather than, and even though they have a huge advantage in terms of they have access to a lot of government orders. The Vande Bharat order also was more like a compulsive order where they've got the order but margins are just not there. Now, given that what changes are happening in the entire power space, especially in terms of the battery storage, where large investments would be moving in the areas of pump storage for power, everybody is hoping that BHEL, given that they have an advantage and they do have a technological presence, they will be able to crack the code. Now, there is a little bit of storytelling which I think has started in the power sector, especially when it comes to battery and especially when it comes to storage. Capability, ability and delivery. Capability, ability and delivery. So I think BHEL has capability, they have availability because they are a government company, but can they deliver? I don't know. My limited point is that the existing business is not great enough for the stock to stay even at 100 rupees. But if they're able to change the complexion of the business, which some companies have done in the past, we've seen a lot of BHEL companies, how they've morphed and how they've migrated. Can BHEL really execute the new complexities of the business in terms of battery storage and energy storage? If they do it, then trust me, BHEL becomes a very different kettle of fish. But I guess there is a bit of a hope, maybe a hype. I'm not challenging their ability or capability, but I would wait for the delivery.